Hello. I want to ask a question to you.
What's your question?
What do you think about requirements of exams?
Exams.
Yes.
Exams are just details. Without exams, we cannot go on continue a program. Okay, so every student, every teacher, every school, every education organization needs a program, needs an exam or exams. Without exams, teachers are nothing. Students are zero. So, with exams, life will be meaningful. To add some meaning to the life, teachers, students, schools add some exams to the program, to the curriculum. Understand?
Thanks. Thanks. That's all. That's all.
Okay.
Exams are necessary, of course. I think they are the lives which make us have to choose our ways. Actually, life is an exam, isn't it?
Yeah, I agree with you.
Thank you. Thank you.